I'm not a dark mage.
You take me for a fool? You stole the wind right out of my sails.
That was primal magic. I don't do dark magic.
Never?
Never.
You're crying innocence, but in your eyes I see guilt. What have you done that's got you so twisted up?